Hi there everyone, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps, and today I am going to be talking about our brand new products. So we have some wonderful velvet powders here, launching today, the 16th. We've got 7 colours. So these are like powders, sort of like a little bit like fluff really, and they're a puffer. So you puff them out of the container and they are absolutely, as you can see, they are absolutely fantastic and resemble velvet when they're actually glued. So I'm going to show you some samples that I've done with the colours that we have. Now I've been using, let me just show you, I've been using the Ziggy two-way glue pen, or you can use the Quickie glue, or you can use the gilding glue as well. So any of those glues the velvet powders would adhere to. So I'm going to take you through these. I wish that I could show you the texture. I don't know whether you can see it, whether the camera does this any justice at all, but it feels just like velvet, and once it's on, that's it. So I've written these with the this one, the Ziggy two-way, and then I've just used a brush to brush on here with the gilding glue, so you can see that lovely red. And then we have the purple, which is again really beautiful. We have pink. Feels just so lovely. You just want to touch it. But it's great for any finishing touches on your card. And I'll show you some samples shortly. So this one is the green. And then, oh no, actually, this is the light green. Okay, and then, oh, we've got another red here, is it? Yes. Oh, that's crept in. And we've got a turquoise, which is lovely. And we've got the green. This is the darker green. And then I've got the white. So obviously you can't see it that well on the card, so I've just shown you on the black card here. So there we go. We have 7 colours and they are all absolutely gorgeous. So the fine nozzle allows you to be very to be direct on where you actually want it placing. Okay, so there's a lot more sort of control with a finer nozzle. So let's pop those to the side, and I've got some cards here that I just finished off with the velvet powders. So you can see just by adding a little bit of the glue pens, you get that lovely lift, and it's very, very tactile as well. It feels gorgeous. And I just did some spots, coloured some spots on this teapot here, and again, you just want to touch it. And on one of our boots here, this is one of our boot stamps, and I've used the pink velvet, and then around the buttons here I've used the green velvet. Just makes your card very three-dimensional. And again, teapots here and here. I think they work so well on the teapots. But you can use these on MDF. I've got here a mushroom that I did earlier as well, and I've just used the gilding glue around the edge. So again, just that feeling of the velvet with some spots around the edge just finishes it off really, really well. And I did a little bit of the pink one here as well, which I think looks fab against the black on the mushroom. So yeah, so been having a really nice play with all of these velvet powders. So today I'm just going to do something really simple just to show you how easy it is to use these. I've got my teapot and I'm going to ink up in our VersaFine Clair. This is Nocturne. And let's pop that down there. I've got the soft signet here, so I'm going to add a little bit of colour. I think by the looks of it I have another colour already on the brush, but that's okay. It's a unique colour. Okay, so now the glue is tacky, it's absolutely ready for our lovely velvet powders. So we're going to use the red. So simply give it a bit of a shake and then just keep squeezing over and over and over. And that beautiful colour will just pour out over the top. And it kind of forces it, having the air behind it, forces it into the area where you want it. Now, I also just press it down a little, just to make sure that we've got plenty on there. And then I'll just take my fan brush and take that off, and look at that. And then I'd simply fold up the card and you can just take the top off and then pop it back in again. So there's no waste. And now I'm just going to finish that off with a little bit of glitter. So there we go. Lovely, lovely teapot with velvet spots on. Absolutely gorgeous to feel. It's just so nice making a card, slightly three-dimensional and very tactile as well. Okay, so let's just take you through these colours again. So we have the white, we have that gorgeous forest green, we've got our turquoise, and we've got our purple, we've got pink, and we've got our red, which actually would look fabulous at Christmas, both the green and the red. So great for writing, you know, and covering over. That lovely velvet feel to the writing is just gorgeous. So there we go, guys. We have 7 colours. Velvet Powders launching today, the 16th. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy. I hope it's inspired you. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.